Hey guys, just want to show you how to adjust the Dewalt table saw. This one is a I don't know if you can see it, DWE 7480. So we're just gonna align the blade to the miter slot, and I found out that mine is out of alignment by maybe 1 millimeter or so. So what you need to do is get down here and loosen up those 2 screws here and here. You loosen them up, then you can move the blade assembly. Alright, there are 2 screws in the front side too. You probably can't see it, but you don't need to loosen them up. So you just adjust the back side. The front side is gonna flex a little, but that's gonna be fine. And that's how you align the blade to the miter slot on the Dewalt table saw.